Alright, who dat 63 back with box break number 5 out of 7, 2009 SP Signature Edition. This is serial number 62 on this box. And let's see what we get. I did sort the first 4 box breaks, and I was 33 cards shy of the 200 card set. And I've been turning 40 cards, so it could be a little bit better collation. Again, 6 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Maybe this time I'm going to cut them all before I open, see if that's any quicker, since they've all proved so difficult to open. Jonathan Stewart, Mario Williams, Dwayne Bowe, Brian Dawkins, Rodney Harrison, Miles Austin. Quell Jackson, Ray Lewis, Brady Quinn, Ted Ginn Jr., Jason Campbell, Jericho Cotchery. Jason Witten, Steve Breston, Lee Evans, Brandon Jacobs, John Carlson, Marcus Colston. Charles Woodson, Dominic Rhodes, Tyler Thigpen, Pierre Thomas, Leon Washington, Bernard Berrian. Michael Turner, Champ Bailey, Devin Hester, and there's America's team, Thomas Henderson, linebacker, Fred Taylor, Ben Roethlisberger. So America's team Cowboys are one-a-box inserts, at least so far. Steve Slayton, Maurice Jones-Drew, Aaron Rodgers, Vincent Jackson, Garrett Rudd, and Steve Smith of the Giants. There's the hit in this one, it appears. Eli Manning, Willie Parker, Mike Peterson, and what do we got? Jake Long. Jake Long, offensive tackle of the Dolphins. All right. Trent Edwards, Peyton Hillis, LaRon McClain, Sean Merriman, Matt Hasselbeck, and Carnell Williams. So that does make 5 out of 5 now that have been game day gears, no autographs yet. Advertised as 1 per box of either or. It's been 5 for 5 one way. Unfortunately, I would have kind of liked a mixed so far. Oh well, maybe in the next 2. Steve Smith, Kellen Winslow, Tashard Choice, James Ferrier, Chad Henne, and Deshaun Jackson. Last pack, box 5, TJ Houshmandzadeh, Brandon Marshall, Dominic Rodgers-Cromartie, Chad Greenway, Frank Gore, and Thomas Jones. All right, well, there you have it from Who Dat 63. Thanks.